Hello my friends, this is Mark Gray and this is a very quick tutorial to answer a quick question that I just found online while doing some keyword research. Alright, let me share my screen and jump to. So I was doing some keyword research which I'm going to make a video about within the next few days, and this popped up. Okay, once they click sign up, I want to both capture their email and redirect them to an affiliate link page. How? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, I didn't cover that in the video that you'll find floating around my head. So let's go and cover that. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is log in to your Getresponse account. If you don't have a Getresponse account, there'll be a link below. You should sign up. It's free. Like I said before, until you reach 500 subscribers, it's totally free. And you can do so many things, alright, including building a highly converting landing page. Now, the old way was different, and I'll show you on the old way as well. So let's just grab the first landing page, go to the editor. If you click on the link, it'll take you to the editor, and we can have a look. So you don't have to do anything here, you know. In the next part, we're going to have to play around with a button, which I didn't actually show you in this video. That's going to be floating around my head. I should have. So what you would do is you create your landing page. I mean, you can create your thank you page. Sure, create your thank you page. But if you're going to be redirecting to either a bridge page or an affiliate link or to your website, then you know you might not even need a thank you page. But anyway, you would click next step. You'd fill in all this information, self-explanatory. You would choose your landing page URL. Now you could select your own domain, but we haven't done that yet. I'll show you that in another video, how to connect your own domain. You would go down, choose your list, and I would want this. Okay, that's fine. Now a custom thank you page. Okay, so it's right here, right in the open. You can see it, easy peasy. Now what I'm doing, just in case you're interested, is I could put directly an affiliate link in here. It might even be smarter for me to put an affiliate link in here, but I'm not. I'm directing people to a page on my website, Not Taught at School review. Now that's kind of like a bridge page, because a bridge page is basically when people put their email in and click confirm now. It's a bridge page would be like a 30-second or a minute video of you just saying, hi, thanks for opting in, my name's Mark. If you click the link below, you're going to find this great training that I used to make $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 last month. Click the link below and that's it. That would be a bridge page. Okay, that would pop up, but you can just direct people anywhere you want. So if you have an Etsy store, for example, you can direct them to that Etsy store. If you have a Amazon KDP store, you can direct them there. YouTube video, direct them there, wherever you want them to go. Okay, that's a custom thank you page. It's basically just a link, a custom URL. Okay, and you would click publish, boom, done. Now I'm just going to go away from this because I don't need to change anything here. Okay, get out of this, and again go back to the new version. Now eventually they will phase out the old legacy version. Now floating around somewhere in my head will be the video I made yesterday, which I should have covered this in that video, and that's how to create a highly optimized. So I'm going to click here to open this up, and then I'm going to click edit design. So I should have covered this in this video floating around my head yesterday, but I didn't. I forgot. My apologies. So like I was saying in the video floating around my head, if you want to change the background on any of these forms, whether it's a blank one, a cool one with a car in it, you would click here. So that's the background. You're clicking in the background and it's opening up here the background options that you can do. So you could put in a background media, you could put in a video, an image, whatever you want, but we're not going to do that just now. That's not important. If you wanted to change the text, where would you click? You would click inside the text box to change the text. Now if you want to change the button, boom, this is where we're going to do that redirect. Alright, so I'm clicking inside the button. Now you can rename the form if you want. not really necessary. Fields in the last video, floating around my head somewhere, I took away the name and just left the email. I explained why in that video. Now, success view, this is the bit that you want to be looking at. I'll maybe move myself out of the way for a bit here. Oh, that's a bit silly, Mark. It is late. So here you can see everything, all right? So, see, I clicked away. Now, that wasn't very good. So I'm clicking again on the button, click, 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 to make sure that I'm there. You only need to click once, not click, click, click. And then we would go to, we don't need success view. Okay, we want to go to success view, sorry. So you can show a message, what to do after the form is submitted. So you can show a message, but this is going to basically keep visitors on this same page, this same landing page. Now, I don't think that makes much sense. Now, basically this would be like a pop-up over that. I don't think that's a good idea. I've never used it like that, and I probably never will. What I want to do is, now you could show a thank you page, and you could design the thank you page, no problem. These are all, see, these are all like the button. You can make the button round, you can make it, you know, there's some more styles that we could choose, but I'm not going to go through them. You know, I'm not going to change this one. I just want to show you this one thing. So I'm going to go back, and I am going to go to success view again, and I'm going to go redirect to another page or website. And again, external page or website. So I'm redirecting to my website. Now, honestly, with the kind of traffic that I am sending to this exact opt-in page, and we can talk more about different types of opt-in pages in another video, it's probably not very smart for me to be sending people to, technically this is a bridge page, it's my website with a full written review, video review, bonuses, and at the bottom a link to go to the affiliate product. It's not the smartest. It would probably be smarter with this type of traffic, solo ad traffic, to just send them directly to the sales page. But in this case, this is what I'm doing. And here you can see the design of the button. So like, you know, we can change this. This is actually pretty cool. I might save this actually, rather than having the email up here, because maybe people get confused. People get confused easily. So you can see you can play around with this, change the size if you want. So it's 18, let's go 22, text, leave it the same, color, black, back, okay. And the actual button, again, okay, we want this custom. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time with this, so I'm just going to click away. Now you know how to, yes, leave the page. Now you know how to, once people have signed in, how to redirect them to wherever you want to go. And that's very, very important, especially if you're buying traffic or you're running Google Ads, which is paid ads. So you're paying for that traffic. So solo ad traffic is paid traffic, in my opinion. Google ad traffic, Microsoft traffic, it all depends, you know, when that person opts into your landing page, where do you want to send them? Okay, so I hope I answered that girl's question, and thank you guys for watching. Remember to give it a like, subscribe, and any questions, stick them below, and I'll see you in the next one.